Good morning. We're back in Meadow Vista, California. It's Sunday. It's Flannel Grinder Day. As you can see, we're rocking the flannel, but still brought out the old down vest. We're gonna go straight. It's primo out here this morning. Beautiful day. Hoping to catch on to the group. All these pro roadies are on the front, just drilling it. Come on, guys. It's a group ride. It's a fun day. Let's go ride some bikes. So on the last ride, I didn't highlight the track as much as we probably could have. It was more the adventure, but get a load of this. Incredible, right? Incredible. Well, we're back markering the group. We started just a couple minutes behind, and we haven't really seemed to catch anybody. We've helped fix a couple flats, helped come to the rescue. That's the job. I was actually supposed to be up towards the front taking photos, but it's all right. We got plenty of time. We're 14 miles into a 43-mile day, and it's glorious. Out here on beautiful Shirt Tail Canyon Road. Oh, crisp air. Hear the river flowing. Is good. Love it, love it. Just adjusting my flannel. And I have to say, my buddy Nick and Chance used to rock the flannel all the time on bike rides. I was gonna say they were doing it before most people did. And this is probably my first time for rocking the flannel on a bike ride, but I'm gonna give credit to those guys. Woo. Oh yeah, John.
We got some.
We got some, all right. It is good out here. Oh, in the bushes. 44 chainring might be a smidge big. Smidge big. Woo. Yeah, bro. Good stuff. Top of Shirt Tail Canyon. Look at that.
Yes, it is.
A little more climb in this direction. We're 22 miles in, right about halfway, a little past halfway.
Welcome.
And it's fantastic out here. It is fantastic out here. I pretty much gave up on catching the front group. I was like, forget it. We never caught them off the start. I'm not going to catch them now, so I'm just going to have a good time and enjoy it. Currently traversing Iowa Hill, heading towards I-80, westbound. So far, so good. Raining yesterday, supposed to rain tomorrow, and look at this, not a cloud in the sky. Still chugging along up Iowa Hill. We're charging. Trying to push a pretty good pace. Get the trainings in for the day. I think we're successfully doing that. It's hot damn. This is a steep hill. Oh man. But we're almost at the top. You see ridge line, tree line. Yeah, buddy. Oh, here's a left-hand turn. Just save me some tacos, fellas. Save us all some tacos. We've reached the pavement. We're on the finishing stretch. It's pointing slightly downhill towards the tacos. Yeah. 42 miles just ticked over. I think it's 43 total. I can taste them now. We've finally arrived. We're cracked, but look at this food. Chef Matt, we're digging in. We got a little chicken, carnitas.
This is a little bit of carnitas right here. These have been going since 5 a.m. So
moist is all
nice and moist and tender.
Yes.
Got to keep these hungry riders fed.
What a route! I have to say, holy smokes, that was awesome. Had a fun time, a little bit of adventure, a lot of fun, good times, great scenery. Much approved. Oh, look at that, like emerald. Like emeralds.
Little salt bay.
Little bam. Woo! Smoked. Flannel Grinder, approved. Big props to Staz and the entire Boundless Locomotion family. You guys crushed it today. I think everybody thoroughly enjoyed themselves. Great breakfast, great lunch afterward, great times. Had a blast. Amazing roads, great company. Even for the little tweaker that I came across, it was a winner. So, with that said, we're gonna wrap it up for the day. I'm gonna wind down, enjoy the rest of the Sunday afternoon, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And I'm gonna go work on the video from yesterday. So, if you liked it, thumbs up, appreciate it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Over and out. Peace.